Hello
Everyone,
everyone.
welcome to Homemade Chef, our YouTube channel where we'll be showing different recipes. Today we'll be making red capsicum soup. You might not have heard about it. I too haven't heard about it, but this is just my way of using the red capsicum. So come, let's see how to prepare it. So here are our ingredients. The main ingredient here is of course the red capsicum. You would have seen this, though it's not very widely available, but of course you can find it. How it works is green capsicum is slightly spicier. Yellow capsicum is a little lesser, and red is even lesser. It's little on the sweeter side. How it happens is first green capsicum comes in the plant, and if they let it be in the plant, then it turns to yellow and then it turns to red. So we have the red variant here. I haven't tried with the other ones. You can even try with green capsicum. What we will do is we will roast it on fire on the flame, both red capsicum and tomato. I just chose tomato so that we'll get some sour flavor also. Along with that, I'm just using pepper for spices. You can even put some cardamom powder. Maybe we can try that. Firstly, let's wash both capsicum and tomato and clean it with a towel neatly. It should be dry. And now let us put just a little oil and then smear it with oil evenly. Let's do it for both tomato and red capsicum. Okay, now let's place it on the flame. What I am using is I have a stand here on which you can make papad also. You might have seen this. So this one you can use and keep it on the stove, and then you can place these. Or if you don't have this, you can directly place it on the flame also on the stand of the stove. Now we have placed it on the flame like this. You have to keep turning it until all the sides will roast evenly. You can see that both of them are roasted well. So let us now turn off the flame and shift it to a bowl of cold water, like normal water, normal cold. We have immersed it in cold water. Just leave it for 2 minutes, and now we can remove the skin of both capsicum and tomato. It will easily peel off now like this. Like this, it will peel off. So we have almost removed everything here. This is sufficient. We just remove so that it doesn't become bitter. But little, if it's left, it's fine. And we do this on the flame so that we will get the flavor of that burnt flavor. So now my son will remove the tomato. Okay, you can just roughly remove it. Now let us put both of this in mixer. You can also put pepper along with it. If you want to put green chili, red chili or something, you can even add any flavor. Let us put a little cinnamon powder also along with it. So I have roughly chopped both tomato and capsicum. And now let me put some 4-5 peppercorns. According to your taste you can put. And you can add salt either now or later while boiling it also. Just adding little salt because I want to add rock salt. Now let us grind it well. Just be careful that because both red capsicum and tomatoes have lot of moisture content in it, it may spill also. So just be careful. You can first try it with pulse and then run the mixer. So here, this is how the mixture is. Now let us filter this mixture and boil it once. Now let us add a little sugar just to cut the sour taste, and we will add a little cinnamon powder. If you don't have, you can either skip it or you can add a little piece of cinnamon also while grinding, or just to boil it also, that's fine. Let us bring this to a boil and add we can add a little more water also to it, and our soup is ready. Our soup is ready to have now. And for garnish, let us place 2 strands of coriander. And yeah, that's it. This easy to make soup is ready to serve. You can even use green or yellow capsicum. If you do that, please let me know your feedback. And thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get more notifications. Thank you.